Oh, it's Tim at the TAH farm, and we're going to start on another project. Today we're going to be working on a combine, and it's way over on the other side of there, but here is the box. Yes, we are Shoops, and here's what we got. A bunch of blades. These are for the chopper, and then I noticed the two outside ones were bad, so we're going to put those on. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, pretty straightforward how this works. Got carriage bolts underneath, and I put all new stuff, hardware on. Excuse me, I got a cough. All new hardware on about 2 years ago, because I was adjusting all these. When I got this, it was spreading too narrow, and this was actually tipped down, so that wasn't working real good for me. So we got it tipped up, and then like I said, this we ended up moving these around a couple years ago and made adjustments a couple times, but I noticed this fall I didn't hit anything, it's just gotten wore. We bought new ones to go on there, and we are going to narrow it up just a little bit, because I noticed last fall we were going a little wide. So, but yeah, with new hardware on here, this is, I gotta go get a screw. All right, we're back. With new hardware on it, this is going to be pretty straightforward of a switch out. Don't have to worry about any old rusted bolts that I gotta fight. But that ought to be, that's a little narrower. Yeah, I was here and I'm here about an inch. So we're going to call that good. So tighten this up. There you go, and all we got to do is this one here, and this will be done back here. So yeah, I didn't hit anything with these, but man, they got bent from something. So well, we'll do this one real quick, and then we'll do those other brackets. All right, these are pretty straightforward. Don't want to drop anything because it's a pain in the butt to crawl out of here to get it. You can see how they're kind of worn here. They were this way and I flipped them over this way, and they're not real bad, but we're going to go ahead and put new ones on. But I found in years past, you got to get this one and the other one there off so you get this other bolt. It's easier. So that's all you got to do. Uh-oh. Light's flickering. Well, if it's bad video, we'll stop and we'll do something else. We'll just go across and do these and I'll get back with you. Here's the other reason it made this good to do this right now is this is still out from doing corn. And, oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to put it in for doing wheat this summer, so. And it don't take long to do this. So this is where that single goes. There's 11 doubles and 1 single. Yeah, we got those all done. I don't have them tight yet. I'm going to try to see if I can't line this up better. I got to fight it to get it into these grooves. So, and here's a shot of where we are in here from the outside. We're down underneath in here. And these old ones, they've got bolts on them. So we will take these apart and I'll put new knives on them. Yeah, you can see how that one's really chewed up. And that one's getting chewed up. I mean, they're not hateful, but I'm doing wheat this summer and I really want that to get cut good. Because I got a neighbor kid that's gonna, well, in fact, he did it about 2 weeks ago, I guess. The ground was still frozen. He went out there and spread clover, and he's gonna bale up clover for his cattle. So, and that's fine. I'm not gonna double crop any beans anyway. So, that works out good for both of us. So, well, we're going to keep working across here. We'll be back. All right, there's what the underside looks like. How it goes in there and it goes in those grooves. I got it somewhat started so then I could line these up. Get the light in here right. So, and then I'm just going across here, tightening them up. So, that's all we got to do. Then to push that in, you got to loosen these bolts on the side here. And there's some on that side there, so I'll show you those, tighten those up in a second. All right, and once you shove that in, you tighten this back up. And you're good to go. So that's ready for wheat. And we'll tighten the other side up. All right, what we were working on was a 6600 combine. We got those all changed out. Got this and that one. I noticed this one was bent a little bit too, so I took it off and straightened it. So the others all look really good. I don't know what bent them, but something underneath there. So here's all the old ones. Like I said, there's 11 of these doubles like this, and there's 1 single in the middle. You flip it one way or the other to cut. So, but anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that little project, and we'll find something else. We'll just keep plugging away here at TAH-DAH Farm.